Five little elves helping Santa today. One slipped on snow and slid away. Santa called the workshop, and the workshop said, "Send that elf back, no more sled." Four little elves wrapping gifts so bright. One got tangled in the Christmas lights. Santa called the workshop, and the workshop said, "Untangle that elf, then off to bed." Three little elves baking treats so sweet. One dropped cookies all over his feet. Santa called the kitchen, and the kitchen said, "Clean up the crumbs, then rest your head." Two little elves painting toys so new. One spilled paint, uh-oh, it's blue. Santa called the painters, and the painters said, "Wash that elf, don't paint the shed." One little elf checking Santa's list. He sneezed so loud the papers went whoosh. Santa called the reindeer, and the reindeer said, "We'll help him gather, hurry to bed."